In this tutorial you'll see how to edit and remove users, as well as how to create user groups and edit them. The first step is to open Google Analytics and click Admin. If you want to do this process for a property, just click on Property Access Management. In this example we'll click Account Access Management to edit the users at an account level. Click the name of the user you want to edit. Click the role you want for this user. In this example we'll change it from Viewer to Analyst. Click Analyst. We'll edit the data restrictions. In this example we'll click No Cost Metrics to remove this restriction. Click Save. To remove a user, click the checkbox next to their name. Click Remove. Read the information and click Remove again. To add a new user group, click the plus on the top right corner of the interface. Click Add User Groups. Click Add Group. Click plus on the top right corner of the interface. Type in the name of the group. Type in a description and click Add Members to add users to this group. Click Add Users. Type in the email address of each user's Google account. Click Add. Check the information of the group and click Create. To edit a user's membership role, click the current role of the user. In this example we'll change it from member to owner. That's it. The user's role changed from member to owner.